Bonjour everyone, Madame Blue here. Happy Vlogmas. We have another tutorial here. I call it tracking. That's what I call it because you sew in like individual tracks within the hair. Some people just call it a versatile sew-in. Some people call it a natural sew-in. I'll call it tracking. So basically it's like a silk press and there are tracks sewn in. I think I did about 5 rows on this install. Typically, I do one at the nape area, like one, maybe 2 fingers above that, like 2 around the, I'm gonna say the part of the head wrong. 2 around the widest part of the head. And then typically 1 at the very top, depending on the thickness of the hair and how long the hair is. Typically when I do, the part that goes around, so typically when I do like the 4th braid, I take all the hair down and I see if I need to add one at the top. And if I do, I typically do 1 track. On all the other braids I do 2, but typically when you do 1 track at the top like that, it's a little bit bulky, so most of the time I do 1 track. But yeah, there's different ways you can do this. I do the braids coming from the outside to the inside, and then I braid the braids together in the middle and put a rubber band, and then I just sew 2 tracks on it. So yeah, that's it, babe. It's very easy. She had initially scheduled a full sew-in but was not able to get that, so her mom just pretty much told me what her budget was and I told her what we can do, so we decided on this and it worked out for her. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So it looks like in this install, I took the 2 ends of the braids and put them together with thread. And I also want to point out that it's important to leave the perimeter out. That way they can put it up in a high pony, a low pony, whatever kind of pony. She can also do half up, half down with this. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out. There's a lot of different ways to do this. Some people don't even use a braid, but I think they probably call that microwaved when they use the bead. So yeah, different ways to do it.